and good evening, and it's me again, Stella, and welcome to my channel. So today guys, actually it's been like, just now only I reached from the work, so my attire is like this, and it's very, quite very hot today. So today guys, I have something to cook, which is I really grade this one for how many days. So which is I will make a pinaopong manok, which is this is my own way of cooking. So yeah, this is the ingredients, and then actually this is already prepared everything because I'm the only one who did this. So yeah, just come on guys, I will show you and I will just let you know what kind of ingredients I have. So this is the thing guys, that the ingredients. So I have here this is the onion. This is the lemon because I just wanted to be like, I wanted to be like more a little bit sour on that. And then I have this one, I have the chili powder on this, and then I have also the powder paper, and then I have the salt, I have also the ginisa mix, and then I have also the turmeric, and then I have also the butter to make I will just make a little bit fry on that to make it more tasty. And then I have also some sesame, I have the garlic as well, and of course the onion. And then I have, of course, without the ginisa manok, pinaopong manok, I have the 7-Up, which is very small, only to make it more tasty. And then I have also the oyster sauce guys, to make it more like a creamy and very tasty that chicken. And then of course I have the potato. I love potato, so this is the main thing with me because I love vegetables. And then I have also the mixed vegetables, which is they have the beans, the long beans, and the carrots on that because I love vegetables, and then I don't need any protein. I mean, I don't need any carbohydrates in my food, so I have the carrots and corn on that. It's a mixed vegetables. And of course the number one is the chicken. So this chicken is 1,100 grams on this. So if you can see, maybe I'm the only one who will finish this one at all. So of course if I have some neighborhoods, of course I will give. So yeah, apart from that, I will show you guys on how I will cook. And then this is my, this is only my experiment pinaopong manok, because it is like it's been a long while I didn't cook this kind of recipe, this kind of food, because I'm not used to eat rice or any carbs from this time, because sometimes I'm doing for an exercise. So yeah, maybe this is only my dinner with the vegetables like that. So I will show you on how I will make my own the way I will cook my chicken. So first I will just gonna make it hot, my pot, and then yeah, hang on a second. I think this is already hot. And then yeah, first I need to make for sure I will just transfer from here to make me very comfortable on the area. Okay, so the pot is already hot. So this is the butter. Let me melt this one, dissolve the butter on this so it's more tasty my chicken. And then I will put the garlic. So here's the garlic guys. This is the only way of I'm having my my own food. Actually, I didn't copy any of my I didn't make any of my food like in the other recipe. This is my own experiment, my own style of the way I'm cooking. So yeah, after that, I have the chicken here. Let me take the chicken. I hope this is fit from this pot. Oh, this is very, oh la, it's good. let me mix this one. But I need the chicken to be like a little bit brown to make it more tasty on that. Because this chicken is actually this is frozen chicken, but I defrost this one. It's long hours ago, like maybe 10 hours already. So before I go to work, I already defrost this. So that's very, you know, very soft and easy to cook after this. Yeah. So I think I will just wait until like until a little bit brown. So let me cover in 5 minutes. So that's it. So let me like in 5 minutes, guys. Let me check if this one is a little bit brown, the chicken, because you know if a little bit brown, it's more tasty, and then you know it's dissolved. It's little it will suck all the, you know, the butter and the garlic on that. So the rest of the ingredients I will just pour it up later on. So yeah, let me just wait. So the rest of the ingredients are here. So I will wait until the chicken is brown. So I have also the lemon here, guys. The lemon. I just add a lemon on that. Oh, it's so yummy. Now the chicken is changing the color. Actually, guys, this is double purpose because after this cook, I have also washing to, you know, to be finished. So I need to put the onion on this. The onion, the onion, the onion. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put all the ingredients here. I'll just make it mix all. Wow, oh my god, this is it. It's so nice. Changing the color, guys. Oh my god, this is awesome. Hang on a second. So I'm just gonna put my I will gonna put, guys, my oyster sauce. This is only my own invention, guys. And then I'm gonna put the potato on this. The potato. I'll just put in the corner. And then after that, I have also maybe later on, I will just put my mixed vegetables. And then I'm gonna add my little bit the fire. I'm just gonna put in the low fire. Okay. So now I put everything already.
You want chicken?
Later maybe. This is also chicken curry, kuya, right?
That's genuine chicken curry.
Ah, okay.
Yours is fake. I'm just kidding.
And then tasty and healthy. There we go, guys. My chicken is looking awesome. guys, ako lang po talaga yung kakain ng manok na yan. Because you know, I'm alone. So I'm just trying to finish it in 3 days. Without any carbs. So yeah. I'll just have try. This is my pinaupong manok style. That's my vegetable and my camera is there. You feel jealous of me this one, Mama. So, one of my friend, I already sent a message and then I will make him jealous that I'm cooking this chicken, pinaupong chicken. Pinaupong manok. So yummy. It's very hot here in the kitchen, but I will try my best not to. Oh, I'm so sweaty. Kainit eh. In a small boat in the ocean, dealing with waves and emotion, and every single word I've heard it open. All the things I didn't take, breaking ball inside my head. Hello there, how are you?
natutulog sa hapon,
I can't
matulog.
stand
Kaya nakapagalingan namin. Oo, ako din. Natutulog ako dati.
Yes, they have may help
Kumusta
you.
naman?
Okay lang.
Wala, ikaw nagluluto.
Yes. That's my auntie landlord. Ang dadalayin. So guys, I will show you my chicken now. It's getting sticky, the sauce. So guys, let me put the mixed vegetables again. Or maybe after this, because I just wait until the chicken will make more soft and tasty. I'm only a man for a dreams. I'm only a man in a binary shit, and it's not easy. Ooh. I'm bursting for a moment, caught in between 10 and 20 and just a dreaming, counting the ways to where you are. I'm 22 for a moment, and she feels better than ever, and we're all far, making our way back from Mars. There's still time for you, time to buy and time to lose. 15 years, never a wish better than this, when you only got 100 years to live. I'm 33 for a moment, still young, but you see, it's the only one he kind of way. Hey, hey, hey. 45 for a moment, the sea is high and I'm hiding into a crisis, chasing the years of my life. Think that there is time for you, time to find and time to lose. We are looking away. the smell is so good. Hola. Very nice.